So this pencast is on evaluating expressions. So the first example says the formula C equals 5/9 times F minus 32 converts temperatures in Fahrenheit scale to the Celsius scale. Find the equivalent Celsius temperature for each Fahrenheit temperature. So in each of these cases, what they've given us is F. Okay? They've given us the Fahrenheit temperature. So whenever I'm evaluating an expression, especially if they've given me a formula, the first thing I do is write the formula down. So C equals 5/9 times F minus 32. And they've given us F, so we're going to plug that in. C equals 5/9 times F, which is 77, minus 32. Alright, so C equals 5/9 times, remember we have to do what's in parentheses first, so 77 minus 32 gives us 45. And anytime I'm multiplying a fraction by a whole number, it's easiest if we put the whole number over 1. So this is really C equals 5/9 times 45 over 1. Now we can cross-reduce, and we know that 9 and 45 have a common factor of 9. So 9 goes into 9 once, 9 goes into 45 5 times, and then you multiply straight across. So C equals 5 times 5, which is 25, over 1 times 1, which is 1, and 25 over 1 gives us 25. So it's 25 degrees Celsius. In example 2, the Fahrenheit temperature they give us is negative 40. So we're going to start off the exact same way, write down the formula, C equals 5/9 times F minus 32. And then we're going to plug in that value, that Fahrenheit value that they've given us, so 5 over 9 times negative 40 minus 32. Now here we have to be a little careful. It says negative 40 minus 32. So you may want to change your subtraction to addition to the opposite. So minus a positive is the same as plus a negative. So C equals 5/9 times negative 40 plus negative 32 is negative 72. Now once again we're going to put that whole number over 1. So C equals 5/9 times negative 72 over 1. And I'm going to check for any reducing that I can do. And 9 and 72 have a common factor of 9. 9 goes into 9 once, and then negative 72 divided by 9 would be negative 8. Once again, we're going to multiply straight across. So 5 times negative 8 is negative 40. 1 times 1 is 1. And negative 40 over 1 is negative 40 degrees Celsius. So that one was kind of interesting. What that shows us is that in the Fahrenheit and Celsius scale, negative 40, when you convert, it doesn't change. So negative 40 Fahrenheit and negative 40 Celsius, same temperature. In example B, it says use the formula to answer the exercise. So they give us a trapezoid. They also give us the formula for calculating the area of a trapezoid. So area, A, equals 1/2 times B1 plus B2 times H. So A is area, B1 is base 1, so let's label that base 1, which is 4 inches, plus B2, B2 is 5 inches, times the height. And the height is 2 inches. So we're just going to plug this stuff in. A equals 1/2 times B1, which is 4, plus B2, which is 5, times the height, which is 2. So I'm going to calculate the operation in the grouping symbol first. So area equals 1/2 times 4 plus 5 is 9 times 2. Now don't forget that multiplication's commutative, so I can move things around. So I'm going to rearrange this. A equals 1/2 times 2 times 9. And I did that because 1/2 times 2 really means 1/2 of 2. And 1/2 of 2 is 1. So really we have 1 times 9, which is 9. And we don't want to forget our units. This is in inches, and since it's area, we know that it's 9 inches squared.